Guys, in this video, I want to show you how you can earn passive income with Bybit Alpha. Bybit is an exchange, as we all know. So in this video, I'm going to take you through few things that you need to know before you start trading or before you start making money with Bybit Alpha. First of all, we are going to start with to understand what Bybit Alpha is. Then we shall go to see how we can use Bybit Alpha, then how to trade. I'm going to take you through how you can trade, then how to farm yield on Bybit Alpha. Then lastly, I am going to give you what you should not miss from Bybit today. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, Bybit Alpha is a feature within the Bybit Unified Trading Account that enables users to trade on-chain, decentralized, and high-potential tokens directly without needing a separate Web3 wallet, managing private keys, or holding gas tokens. It acts as a bridge between centralized and decentralized trading, offering real-time on-chain access with a fixed trading. Now, with this Bybit Alpha, it will be giving you new tokens that you can use to earn passive and big money. So it gives you different categories of the tokens which are over trending, the tokens which are hot, then stock, and very many. Please don't forget, if you don't have an account, the link is under this video description, and also in the first pinned comment section of this video I have left the link to Bybit exchange where you can create an account and you get 5,100 US dollars. That is as a welcome bonus after you completing the task which includes verifying your account. So after that, you're going to get 5,100 US dollars free in your account, and you can use it to trade this Bybit Alpha and earn passively. Now, without wasting more much time, if you come into your account using your small phone, any phone that you have, and as long as you can access your Bybit account, so you're going to come into your account as you can see mine. Then from here you would see it at the home page here, but if you cannot see it from there, come and click on this small button. Now when you tap on this small button, it's going to open for you this area. Now from here, all you need is to come and click on this trade here. If you tap on the trade page, it is going to open for you these trades that you are seeing here. Now from here, we need this Bybit Alpha. So here is where you're going to see Bybit Alpha. From now, all we need is to click on Bybit Alpha. Now when you click on Bybit Alpha, you can see that you have come to new coin sniper, and these are the coins that have just been introduced into Bybit Alpha newly. So you can see like this one is only 3 days, then this one is 19 days, and it is currently trying to do well. Then we have this one 22 days, and we have very many of them, and this is the one which is almost making 1 year now. So if you come to your Bybit Alpha here, you're going to see that you have this how it works, to understand more on how it works. But of course here also they have said that Bybit access Alpha seamlessly with your UTA balance. UTA is Unified Trading Account. So if you can just tap on this how it works to understand how Bybit Alpha works better. Then here it says that trade with your UTA balance, no back and forth, no gas token needed. So you don't need to have any gas for you to start trading or to start earning passive income with Bybit Alpha. Then here it says that hunt the next alpha. You can see this is new coin sniper. It says that buy latest launched coins on chain, so you can buy them quickly when they are still doing poorly. Then you're going to hit much money with it. Then we come to this hot token screener. Hot token screener, it says that by verified trending on chain tokens with zero latency. So that is about it. Then here it says that stay ahead, stable on chain yield, and high and stable APY on chain. Then we have the last one here. It talks about on or off-chain strategies. Combine on-chain and off-chain strategies to maximize arbitrage gains. Then you can click here to explore more. So we don't need to go far because I want to make this video short and nice. Now here is the page that we need to make sure that we earn money from. Now under new coin sniper, we have all these coins, and if you can scroll them, you can see that there are very many, but we need to see more pages here. It is not all about new coin sniper, so you're going to scroll it up like this until you come down here. Now if you come down here, it talks about liquidity pool, so you can click on this arrow. When you click on this arrow, you're going to come to the farm page of Bybit Alpha. Now here it says that a one-stop hub to add liquidity and earn yield with your UTA funds. Now this is where you're going to earn money, like you put your money, any amount of money, then you're going to earn in APR, that is the percentage that you're going to earn, and you're going to earn in different pools, where we have the gold pool, stocks, then new coins. You can decide to work on new coins. Now without us wasting more time, you can as well click here to understand more about alpha farming. Now if for example you want to look for any stable coin, then we trade, like we want to trade USDC, so we can just tap on it once like this, and here you go, you're going to see how it is working, and all we need is just to click on the invest button down. Now when you click on that invest button down, you're going to come and see that there is select price range, the price range that you need, so you can click on stable, or you want standard, or you want to customize yours. But of course, I always advise you to use what the platform gives you. So this is a Bybit exchange, which is 100% safe and secure, so you can click on the stable. Then now from down here, it displays everything. The current price is here, that 1 USDC is equivalent to $1, and because we have selected this is where it is. Now here is what it is telling us, that the minimum price, then the maximum price. So we can now scroll down, then here you're going to see that automatic market making price range. This is the automatic market price range. Your fund will stay active in this price range and earn trading fees while the market price is within it. It says that if you buy this coin, like now you buy it, you buy this token, your money is going to remain the way it is. It is not going to be touched, not going to reduce or decrease, but it is going to increase because you have staked here. Then now here we are going to click on this next button. Now when you click on the next button, you have to be having your money in your unified trading account. So here now, if you're now ready, you're going to put the amount you want here, and before, you have to know that this is the money you have, USDT. If not, you tap on it, then now here you're going to select, is it Solana, USDC, or BBS Sol. So if USDT, you just tap on it. Now you're going to see your balance here. Now if you have not yet transferred your money to UTA, you're going to come and click on this plus button. You tap on the plus button, then you click on transfer. When you tap on the transfer, it's going to take you back here. Then now here is where you're going to see that from funding to your unified. If you have your money in the funding account, you're going to transfer it to your unified trading account. Then you click on max and you enter amount. And then you confirm, and everything is done. Now after that, you'll come back here, then you enter the amount here. You can tap and enter manually, like $2, then you tick, or you just come and you click, you drag this one this sides like this, as you can see, or you just move it completely like this. But of course, it is going to be showing you the minimum amount. Now after you putting all that, then you click on invest. But before you click on invest, you have to can as well read these other things here, that the price range is this, estimated yield will be this, then the estimated APR will be this, then slippage protection will be this, then the service fee is 0, the network fee will be this. Now after, you're going to click on invest and complete the procedure. So that is how simple it is to earn from Bybit Alpha farm. I've already shown you about Bybit liquidity pool, which is the farming. Now we have down here, we have the hot coin screener. This is where it screens for you the best new listed coins, the hot coins, the stocks, then the trending coins, the coins that people are over looking at and people are over trading. Now if you can scroll down here, you're going to see that you have different and very many tokens that some of them have already been listed, like this first one here, Pipin, has already been listed and it is in Bybit. Now we can as well decide to sort these coins according to their hourly performance by just coming and we click on this on your right hand corner here. You click on these arrows to arrange them. Now you can see that we have arranged from the one which is performing very well up to the last one which is performing poorly, as you can see it here. Now from here we can decide to choose that which one do we want to trade from Bybit hot coin screener, or we can range the starting with the poor performing like this. Now from here then we can see that this one, like lobster is doing badly, so we can start it, or if you want to look for a different token you can look for it, but this is in the list of newly listed. Then we can as well click on the hot coins and we look for those hot coins, or we come and we go to the trending coins here. We look for which coins are trending today in the last 24 hours. So let's just remain here in the newly listed coins. Now here we can say that maybe, let me take this one as example, that we want to use this first one. So you can tap on it. Now when you tap on it, it's going to open for you here. Remember with Bybit, it is having everything. This is the exchange which is very good for you to use to earn money with the newly listed tokens. Before they are out, you can know which token is coming and which token is good for me to trade. Now here we are now in the lobster token. In the lobster token we have the chart here, and this chart, as we can see it here, it is in 4 hours, but we can as well change it that in 1 day how is the performance, and you can see that this is how the performance is in 1 day. What about if we check in 1 minute? In 1 minute this is how it is. What about in 15 minutes? In 15 minutes it looks like it is somehow doing better. Then what about if we check in 1 hour? In our 1 hour as well it is like this. Now down here as well we have different indicators where we have Ma, we have Emma, we have Ball, Sa, then this is Wolves, then we have MacD. But of course you have to untick them all, then maybe you remain with one. But of course if you want everything to display up there, you can put, you see, if you click on Ma, you can see that it has added for you these trading icons. Then if you click on Emma, it is going to add for you upper information here. Yes, if you remove, then we click on Ball, you can see how these candles are performing. Then we come to KDJ. KDJ has given you down here how the coin is performing. Then before we go deep, we have also this is the charts. Then we have for information. For information, if you want to read more about this token, like how it is, the holders, as you can see, the holders here are 13,000 holders. Then the liquidity is 1.05 M. Then we have the network it is in Sol network. FDV is this. Turnover rate is 195.5%. Then we have on the feeds here, the feeds is what other people are talking about this coin. As you can see that everything has been displayed here. Now if you want to continue to trade this token, it is as easy as 1 to 3 make money in Bybit Alpha. So we can come down here and it talks about holding. We still don't have any holding here, but if you want to now to trade it, we can come and click on this buy. Now from here we have the buy and the sell page. If you tap on sell, it means you now want to sell this token, or if you tap on buy, you want to buy this token. Now if you want to buy and you have USDT, so you can just leave it here as it is, or you tap on it as I showed you in the farm section. Then from here you're going to select the coin that you have. Is it Sol? USDC or BB Sol. If in any, you tap on it and it appears here. Now, if you have your money in your funding wallet, not in the UTA account, you're going to come and tap on this plus as I showed you in the farm section. So now we will need to put some money here so that we can see this information like estimated received, the rate and the mode. Now we can can even drag it from here, or we just tap here and we enter it manually. For instance, I may put 5, then I tick. You can see down here that it's saying that this is what I am going to receive. That is estimated received. It is going to be 613.4 lobster. Then the rate will be 1 USDT is equivalent to 123.658 rate. Then the mode is in priority on success, or we can just tap here, tap on this icon, then we change it. We can change it from here, we put it here, the priority on price, or we just leave it here. Now when we do that, all we need is to tap on the buy button. Now when you tap on the buy, you're just going to click on confirm buy, and here the order has been placed. So my order has successfully been placed. Now if you scroll down here, you're going to see that the holding has now appeared, that this is what I am holding, and this is the value. So if I leave this token here, it means when the price goes up, I will earn my money from this token. So that is how simple it is. Now, if you want to sell that token, you're just going to come back to your Bybit Alpha, you scroll down, then you come and arrange or you look for it. Now, this is the token that we have bought, that is lobster. And if you come down here, this is how it is. Now, if you want to sell this token and get your USDT back or with your profit, so all you need is just to tap on the sell button. Now, if you tap on the sell button here as well, you can select you want to sell just half of it, or you drag it that you want to sell everything in this token. Now after you driving it all like that, then this is what it is saying, that you're going to receive this amount of money. So all we need is just to tap on sell, then we come and click on confirm, and boom, our order has already been sold. Now here it says that the order has been filled, and boom, down here you can see that the holding has now changed. Guys, that is how simple it is to earn from Bybit Alpha. Now from the Bybit Alpha here, before we close this video, down here we have the pages. These pages are just what I have already taken you through, where the home page is this, then the trading is where I showed you how you can buy these tokens from the token that you've chosen. Then the farm I already showed you from the beginning how you can farm. The farming is more good for you to use to make money, because you're going to buy, you put your money and you leave it there. Then when the profits comes, you're going to come to your account and you see that you have your money has been increasing according to what you have staked. Then we come to assets. The assets here will show you what you have in the Bybit Alpha asset section. So for example, if you have any token that you bought, it would be appearing here, or in the farm, if you tap on the farm also would be appearing here. The tokens would be here, the farms will be here. Guys, before I conclude with this video, Bybit is giving you 5,100 US dollars for you who is new in Bybit. Create an account. I have left the link under this video description and also in the first pin comment section. Create account with Bybit and get 5,100 US dollars as a welcome bonus, and use it to earn from Bybit Alpha page. All you need is only to create an account, do the KYC. The KYC is verifying your account with your national ID, passport or driving license. Then make a recharge of any amount, or you're going to get your 5,000 just after you creating account and completing the task, which is verifying your account. Guys, that is all for today. Let's meet in the next coming video. Remember to subscribe, like and share.